Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the Speak Bench. I'm Grace, and this is episode 14.
Episode 14. Jack here. And the interview comments from episode 13 were incredible. So many of you practiced your answers out loud and shared them. Someone wrote out a full interview in the comments. I was genuinely impressed.
That took courage and commitment, and it's exactly what makes the difference between knowing English and speaking English. If you haven't practiced yet, go back and try.
But today, we are shifting from the formal world of job interviews to something that might be actually harder for many people.
Oh, what's that?
Casual conversation with strangers. Small talk.
You say that like it's terrifying.
For a lot of people, it is terrifying. At least in a job interview, you know what questions are coming. In small talk, anything can happen.
And here is the truth. Small talk is not small. Small talk is the skill that opens every door in the English-speaking world. Every friendship, every professional connection, every relationship begins with small talk.
Exactly. The ability to chat casually with someone you just met, that is what separates a functional English speaker from a truly fluent one.
Today, we are going to teach you how to start a conversation, keep it going, and end it gracefully in 3 different real-life situations.
Can I admit something? I used to be terrible at small talk, even in English, which is my first language.
Really? You seem so natural at it.
I practiced a lot because I realized that small talk is a skill, not a personality trait. Introverts can be great at small talk. Shy people can be great at small talk. You just need to know the techniques.
And that is exactly what we're giving you today. Techniques. Let's start with the most important question. How do you start a conversation with someone you don't know?
The classic opener. Comment on something you both share in the moment. Your environment, the situation, something that's happening around you both.
You're both waiting in a long queue. Can you believe this line? I've been here 20 minutes.
You're both at a work event. Is this your first time at one of these? I never know what to expect.
You're at a party. How do you know the host? I went to university with her.
These openers work because they're low pressure. The other person can answer briefly or expand. You're not demanding a deep conversation, just opening a door.
Now, the 10 universal small talk topics. These work anywhere with anyone in any English-speaking context.
1. The weather. Yes, it's a cliche, but it works because everyone experiences it. Can you believe how cold it's been? This week has been absolutely beautiful, hasn't it?
2. Local events and news. Did you catch the game last night? Have you heard about the new restaurant that just opened on 5th Avenue?
3. The weekend. Do you have anything fun planned for the weekend? How was your weekend? Did you do anything interesting?
4. Food and restaurants. Have you been to this place before? What do you recommend? I'm trying to find good coffee in this neighborhood.
5. Travel. Have you traveled anywhere interesting recently? I'm thinking about going to Japan. Have you ever been?
6. Work in a general sense. Are you working nearby? What kind of work do you do?
7. Recommendations. Do you know any good podcast? I'm looking for a new series to watch. Any suggestions?
8. The event or situation you're both in. Is this your first time at this conference? Have you been to this coffee shop before?
9. Hobbies and interests. Do you have any hobbies? What do you like to do when you're not working?
10. Current experiences. How are you finding living here? What do you think of the city so far?
And the key to all of these, always ask a follow-up question. Don't just share your opinion and stop. Ask them theirs.
Now, one of the most powerful small talk tools, the echo question. When someone says something surprising or interesting, you echo part of it back as a question.
I just got back from hiking in New Zealand.
New Zealand? Wow, how long were you there?
Did you hear what Grace did? She echoed New Zealand with excitement and immediately asked the follow-up question. That tells me she's listening, she's interested, and she wants to know more.
More examples. I've been learning to cook Italian food lately.
Italian food? That's so cool. What have you made so far?
Other echo phrases. Oh, really? That's interesting. I didn't know that. No way.
How long have you been doing that? What's that like?
These phrases do two things. They show you're listening, and they keep the conversation moving without you having to think of a completely new question every time.
Now, the present perfect for small talk. This is incredibly useful because it asks about experiences without specifying when.
Have you ever been to Japan? Have you ever tried Ethiopian food? Have you ever seen a live jazz performance?
These questions are brilliant for small talk because they can go in so many directions. Yes, I have opens a story. No, I haven't opens a conversation about whether they want to.
Have you ever been to this neighborhood before?
Actually, yes. I used to come here all the time a few years ago. There used to be this incredible bookshop just around the corner.
And now we have a conversation about the neighborhood, about the bookshop, about what else has changed, all from one "have you ever" question.
If you're finding today's episode useful, please like the video and subscribe to the Speak Bench. And comment your opening small talk line. We will actually write back and have a real small talk conversation with you in the comments.
Yes, try it. Write your opener and we'll respond. Real practice right there in the comment section.
Now, 3 full role-play scenarios. Each one is a different situation and length. Scenario 1, elevator small talk. 30 seconds maximum. Very short, very polite.
Oh, going up? What floor?
8, please. You?
10. Are you new here? I don't think I've seen you before.
Actually, yes. I just started on Monday. Still finding my feet.
Welcome. I'm Jack from the marketing team. If you have any questions about the building, the good coffee is on the 4th floor, just so you know.
That is exactly the information I needed. I'm Grace. Thank you.
Nice to meet you, Grace. Good luck with the new start.
Breaking character, teaching. That was perfect elevator small talk. Short, friendly, practical information exchanged, first names shared. That is all you need in 30 seconds.
And notice, Jack volunteered useful information without being asked. That small coffee tip made the whole exchange memorable. People remember helpful people.
Scenario 2, coffee shop small talk. About 2 minutes. You're both regular customers and you've seen each other before.
Hey, usual Tuesday morning spot?
Every Tuesday without fail. I think I'm becoming furniture in this place.
Same. I've started to feel guilty if I don't come, like I'm letting the place down.
The coffee guilt is real. Have you tried their new autumn menu? I saw something with cinnamon on the board.
No way? They have a new menu? I always get the same thing every time. I'm completely loyal to my order.
That is either very comforting or slightly alarming. I can't decide which.
Definitely both. What's your usual?
An oat latte, large. You?
Black Americano, no sugar. Very boring. My friends say it reflects my personality.
Bold and no nonsense. I can work with that. I'm Grace, by the way.
Jack. Good to finally have a name for my Tuesday morning neighbor. Enjoy the new menu.
Breaking character, teaching. That was a natural, warm, 2-minute coffee shop conversation. No deep topics, just easy, light, enjoyable chat. That is the goal of small talk.
And notice how humor made the whole thing work. The coffee guild, the alarming loyalty, the personality comment. Small talk with a bit of humor is irresistible.
Scenario 3, party small talk. About 5 minutes. This is the most complex because you need to keep it going longer.
Hey, great party, right? I'm Jack, friend of the host from university.
It's lovely, isn't it? I'm Grace. We actually worked together about 4 years ago.
Oh, interesting. What do you do now?
I'm a podcast host. I run an English learning podcast called The Speak Bench. What about you?
A podcast? That's so cool. I've always thought about starting one. What's it like?
It's honestly one of the most rewarding things I've done. It's a lot of work, but hearing from listeners around the world, there's nothing quite like it.
Listeners around the world. That's incredible. Where do most of them come from?
Everywhere. India, Philippines, Brazil, Nigeria, the Middle East. English is so universal.
Have you ever met any of your listeners in person?
Actually, yes, once, completely by accident. I was in a coffee shop in London and someone recognized my voice. It was such a surreal moment. We ended up talking for an hour.
No way! That is such a brilliant story. I love that.
What about you? You said you work in tech?
Software development, which sounds impressive until people ask what I actually do and I have to explain that I make buttons work properly.
The buttons work because of you. That's important.
Someone has to do it. I'm actually thinking about a career change, though. I've been getting more interested in the product side of things.
Oh, really? What's drawing you toward that?
I think I want to be closer to the user experience, actually understanding how people interact with what I build, not just the technical side.
That makes complete sense. The human element. 5 minutes. A complete party conversation. Topics, jobs, the podcast, listeners, a funny story, his career, a genuine exchange of real information and ideas.
And notice the tools we used. Echo questions, have you ever, storytelling, humor, turning the question back, all the small talk techniques working together naturally.
Now, how to end a small talk conversation gracefully, because knowing how to exit is just as important as knowing how to enter. The graceful exit phrases. It was really lovely talking to you. I should let you get back to your evening. I'll let you go. Enjoy the rest of the party. It was so nice meeting you. I hope we run into each other again.
Always add something positive at the end. It was lovely, so nice, really great. This leaves the other person feeling good about the conversation and about you.
Common small talk mistakes. Mistake 1, talking only about yourself. Small talk is a tennis match. You hit the ball, they hit it back. If you keep the ball on your side of the net, the game ends.
Mistake 2, asking questions that are too personal too quickly. What do you earn? Are you married? Why don't you have children? These are not small talk. These are big talk for when you actually know someone.
Mistake 3, filling silences with nervous talking. A brief silence is completely normal. You don't have to fill every second. Take a breath, smile, and either someone speaks or you both laugh and move on.
Rapid fire. I'll give you a small talk situation. You respond naturally.
Go.
Someone at a party asks how you know the host.
Actually, we went to university together. She was one of my closest friends. How about you?
A coworker mentions they just got back from holiday.
Oh, really? Where did you go? I'd love to hear about it.
Someone mentions they've started a new hobby.
Oh, that's great. What made you decide to start? Have you been doing it long?
The conversation is ending. How do you close it?
It was so lovely talking to you. I should let you enjoy the rest of the evening, but let's chat again soon.
Approving. 4 for 4. Natural, warm, and genuine. Every time.
Pause the video and practice. Think of someone you might see today. A neighbor, a coworker, someone in a cafe. What would your opening line be? Say it out loud right now.
And then come to the comments and write it here. We will write back. Real small talk practice right here in our comments section. We mean it.
Jack, we covered why small talk matters, how to start conversations, 10 universal topics, echo questions, present perfect for experiences, 3 full role plays at different lengths, how to end gracefully, common mistakes, and rapid fire.
Episode 14, complete. And I want to say, if you used to be scared of small talk in English, I hope today changed that.
Small talk is not about being witty or charming or perfect. It's about showing up, being curious about another person, and creating a moment of human connection. That's all.
Your challenge this week, start a small talk conversation in the comments. Your opening line, we will respond. Real small talk practice right here in our comment section.
Episode 15 is coming next week. Speak English at work. Office conversations, professional phrases, and how to sound confident in any workplace English situation.
I'm Jack from the Speak Bench, where real conversations meet real English.
And I'm Grace. See you in episode 15. Goodbye, everyone.
Goodbye, and go start a conversation today in English. You've got everything you need.